Now, new boys here from Finland, they slowly start. Hands up, watch, look at this. Just flexibility and agility, okay? Hands up. 8 punches makes number 1. 8 punches exactly to the head. Number 1 improves his flexibility, extension and balance and coordination. For example, slowly, watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 punches, full extension like this. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, exactly to the target. Don't miss. Punch exactly goes to the head. That's how you can benefit your friend, okay? Don't make wrong side punch, exactly to the head. Watch again. See this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, watch, don't be ill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? That's it. That's very good. You know again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you change. Now, slowly, okay? Now, again, slip, roll, lean back, everything works. Everything left, everything works. Block, lean back. Okay? Slowly start everybody. Let's go. On. Time, who's that time? Okay, just exercise slowly. Let's go. Full. Michael, don't make wrong side. Shoulder. Then change. Pull. Come on.